Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I am just going to jump right into it. I won't talk for very long. This is just going to be very quick demonstrations of how to start crocheting. I have an old video that is very long, and I know that sometimes you just want something quick. So these are just going to be quick, easy tutorials, all in one place for you. So whichever one you want to use, go ahead. Yeah, so it's very easy. So if you're just starting out, here is a hook. I'm using a 4.0. This is use a thicker hook if you're just starting out. The thinner ones are for thinner yarns. So these ones are for, you want kind of a thicker yarn if you're just starting out as well. And preferably a cotton or acrylic, something that is going to not be too soft and sliding. Is slidey a word? Sliding. So you want something that's nice and easy to work with and not too expensive. Just work your way up and you will be a pro in no time. So if you're just starting out, you're not going to hold, so pretend you're writing. This is kind of how you hold your pen. We are going to learn how to hold a crochet hook. So whichever way is comfortable for you is the best way to hold it, but you're going to hold it kind of like a pen, and just do this. You don't want to hold it like this. I know when I was first learning, I was holding it like this, and I couldn't figure out why I couldn't actually crochet, and it was because I was holding it like this. So don't grab it and hold your hook like this. So you're going to hold it kind of like a pen and work your wrist. So let's do a slip knot first. That's the first thing we're going to learn. So take your yarn wherever the end is, just make it a little bit longer. Now wrap your yarn around your finger just like that, and then make it a little bit loose, not too tight. You don't want to cut off circulation, so just wrap it around and slide it off, but you're holding on to it just like that. And then see this, the long bit here, you're just going to you can use your hook, or you can just pull that long bit through the loop and pull it. There you go. That's your slip knot. Easy. So how do we do chains? So we have our hook and we're holding it properly. Now we have a slip knot here. Now if you need to learn how to do a slip knot, I think we've already done that in the previous video. So you stick your hook through, make sure that your yarn is nice and sort of tight around that. Now you're going to take your yarn in your left hand. Now I'm right-handed, so if you're going to do it left-handed, you might have to watch a different video. I'm sorry, I haven't learned to do this with my left hand. So take your, kind of have it loose, the yarn on your left pointer finger, so that your hook can go kind of under it and over it, under it. So we're gonna take our yarn and make kind of a loop around your hook, just like that, and then pull it through, just like that. You just made a chain. Let's do that again. So take your yarn on your finger, your hook's on the front. Now just drop the yarn onto the hook and pull it through. just like that. Again, yarn over just like that, hook it and pull it through. Yarn over, hook it, pull it through. That's it. So when you're counting your chains, you just count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll get used to it. And you can use your hook to guide you, or you can use your finger, whichever is comfortable for you. So there's no right or wrong way, it's whatever is comfortable for you. So that's it, you've made chains. Good job.